Real conversation number 6. Airport check-in stress.
Excuse me. Hi. Oh man, I'm finally here. I almost missed the line. Please tell me I'm not too late.
Good evening, sir. Don't worry. The counter is still open. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you go. I'm on flight 482 to New York. I really can't miss it. Big business meeting tomorrow morning.
Let me pull up your reservation. All right. Mr. Roberts, the first see you here. You're a little late, but boarding hasn't closed yet. Let's get you checked in.
Thank goodness. You're saving my life already.
Do you have any bags to check today?
Just this one suitcase. And my carry-on bag, of course.
All right. Please place the suitcase on the scale.
Here you go. Careful, it's a little heavy.
Sir, your bag is 28 kilos.
28? That doesn't sound so bad.
The limit is 23 kilos. You are 5 kilos overweight.
5 kilos? Come on, that's like, what, a pair of shoes? Can't we just ignore that?
I'm afraid not, sir. Airline policy is very strict. If a bag is overweight, you have 3 options. Pay an overweight fee, repack and move items into your carry-on, or remove some items entirely.
Oh no. I knew I shouldn't have packed that extra pair of shoes. And maybe the books. And maybe I packed half my apartment.
It happens all the time. Would you like to repack here, or should I explain the fee?
How much is the fee?
It depends on the weight. For 5 extra kilos, it's $75.
75? That's outrageous. My shoes aren't worth $75.
Many passengers feel that way, sir. That's why some choose to move things into their hand luggage.
Let me think. My carry-on is already packed tight. I'm afraid if I open it, it will explode like a jack-in-the-box.
You may also wear some items if that helps.
Where? What do you mean, where?
Well, some passengers put on extra jackets or sweaters to reduce the suitcase weight.
You mean I should walk onto the plane looking like a snowman?
It's one solution.
You know what? Fine. I'll do it. I'd rather sweat all the way to New York than give the airline $75.
If you'd like, there's a small table over there where you can reorganize your bag.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, I see the problem. I may have overdone it.
What do you have inside?
Well, let's see. 3 pairs of shoes, a hairdryer, a huge jar of vitamins, and... Oh no, is that a bottle of wine?
Sir, alcohol bottles are not allowed in checked baggage unless properly sealed.
Oh no, that was supposed to be a gift for my business partner. He loves red wine.
Unfortunately, you'll need to remove it. You can either carry it in your hand luggage if it meets liquid rules, or leave it here.
That's heartbreaking. Goodbye, Bordeaux.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll put on this sweater and this jacket and maybe this scarf. Wow. I look like a walk-in closet.
At least you'll be warm on the plane.
Warm. I'll be boiling like soup. People will think I'm smuggling clothes out of the country.
You're not the first passenger to do this. Trust me.
Okay, let's try again. What does it say now?
24 kilos. Still 1 kilo over.
1 kilo? You're kidding me.
I'm afraid not.
What if I just hold something in my hands and not count it?
Hand luggage also has a weight limit, sir.
You guys think of everything, don't you?
We try to.
All right, one more trick. I'll take out this giant book. Don't ask why I packed it. I never even read at home.
That looks heavy.
It is. It's a dictionary. Who brings a dictionary in 2025 when we have phones?
Some people like the classic way.
Not me anymore. Okay, suitcase on the scale again.
Perfect. 23 kilos exactly.
Yes, victory. The system can't beat me.
Congratulations, sir. Your bag is now within the limit.
Please, seal it before I change my mind and stuff more inside.
All right, your bag is checked in. Here is your boarding pass.
You are a hero. You saved my business trip and maybe my life.
I'm just doing my job, sir. But you should head directly to security. The boarding gate is already open.
I will run like an Olympic athlete. Thank you again for your patience.
Safe travels, Mr. Roberts.
Next time, I promise. 1 pair of shoes, no wine, and 0 dictionaries.
That sounds like a good plan.